As you enter 2026 and review your financial accounts, you find that there are no assets actively contributing to your financial growth. Without investments, there is no portfolio, and consequently, no opportunity for passive growth. Only revenue, expenditures, and unpredictability. Recent reports highlight the impact of artificial intelligence on job markets, the adjustments in global markets to elevated interest rates, and the persistent rise in living expenses. Numerous individuals assess the current landscape and determine that they have missed their opportunity. This mindset is precisely why many individuals fail to accumulate wealth. Beginning from ground zero can be an opportunity rather than a setback, especially when you adopt a structured approach rather than succumbing to anxiety. In this video, I will guide you through a comprehensive and practical investment strategy tailored for individuals beginning their financial journey in 2026. Be sure to stay engaged until the conclusion, as the last step is crucial for distinguishing between gradual advancement and significant momentum. Before we delve into the topic of investing, it's essential to confront a challenging reality. Beginning with nothing does not imply that your financial situation is balanced. For the majority, it tends to have adverse implications. High-interest debt can accumulate subtly, undermining your efforts toward financial advancement. Credit cards, consumer loans, and short-term financing may seem like routine monthly expenses, yet from a mathematical perspective, they can significantly hinder the power of compounding. By 2027, interest rates will have become significant. Managing debt while pursuing investment opportunities can feel like navigating an uphill path with added resistance. Your top focus should be on paying off any high-interest obligations. This decision does not align with motivational principles. It is a quantitative matter. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial tips. Eliminating costly debt provides a certain return that surpasses what any market investment can consistently offer. Ultimately, it influences behavior. Debt encourages a focus on immediate concerns. This situation heightens stress levels, deters individuals from pursuing career advancements, and may lead them to make impulsive financial choices in search of immediate solutions. Eliminating it fosters a clearer perspective and enhances adaptability. Until that obligation is resolved, the investment landscape remains precarious. Establishing a strong foundation is essential before proceeding with any further developments. After eliminating high-interest debt, many individuals often feel compelled to invest right away. This is a common area where many newcomers struggle. Engaging in investments without safeguards presents an undeniable reality. Unforeseen circumstances will arise. Unforeseen costs remain unaffected by fluctuations in the market. Without proper planning, even a carefully constructed portfolio can be vulnerable to disruption at the most inopportune time. Establishing a dedicated cash reserve is crucial for financial stability. This capital is intended for stability rather than aggressive growth or outpacing inflation. The primary objective is to ensure sustainability. In 2026, prioritizing financial resilience will be more crucial than merely focusing on optimization. Maintaining a reserve equivalent to 3 months of essential living expenses in a liquid, low-risk account allows for investments to remain intact during unforeseen circumstances. This crucial action significantly enhances long-term returns, not through increased earnings, but by safeguarding against losses that can arise from forced selling. Stability represents a crucial benefit that often goes unnoticed by many individuals. Once you have established adequate protection, you can confidently embark on your investment journey in a significant manner. At this point, embracing simplicity can be beneficial. The objective is not to forecast future trends or pinpoint the next high-performing stock. The objective is to engage in sustained economic advancement while minimizing obstacles. Broad market index funds achieve this with great efficiency. They mitigate the risk associated with individual companies, lower fees, and eliminate emotional biases from the decision-making process. Historical data indicates that a consistent and disciplined approach to market exposure tends to yield better results than most active investment strategies in the long run. The primary obstacle associated with this strategy is more psychological than it is financial. The current situation appears to lack significant activity. The situation lacks significant fluctuations, ongoing updates, and a sense of enthusiasm. This is exactly why it is effective. Effective investing frequently resembles a lack of action. Maintaining commitment can be difficult, especially when monotony arises. To effectively navigate this, certain investors designate a modest segment of their capital towards higher risk opportunities while ensuring that the bulk remains organized and automated. Practicing restraint is essential. It is essential to ensure that risk does not jeopardize the fundamental strategy. Selecting appropriate investments constitutes just part of the overall strategy. The location of your investments plays a crucial role in determining the portion of the return that you ultimately retain. Taxes often represent a significant and often overlooked impediment to wealth accumulation. Over the long term, neglecting these factors can substantially diminish your overall gains. There are specific purposes for tax-advantaged accounts. They incentivize sustainable practices and discourage impulsive decision-making. Utilizing them appropriately is essential for committed investors. It is advisable to prioritize employer-sponsored retirement plans, individual retirement accounts, and health savings accounts before considering taxable investing. Employer matches provide instant, guaranteed returns without any associated risk. The benefits of tax-free growth accumulate steadily and significantly as time progresses. Numerous individuals tend to shy away from these accounts because of the perceived limitations. However, it is important to recognize that these limitations are in place for a reason. They safeguard long-term investments from hasty choices. Market crashes alone seldom lead to the destruction of wealth. The impact of behavior during those downturns can be detrimental. Establishing a solid framework mitigates that risk. Even with flawless execution, there are inherent limitations to investing if income does not grow. This represents the ultimate and often underestimated aspect of wealth accumulation. While there are limits to how much you can cut expenses, your ability to increase earnings is limitless. In 2026, depending exclusively on savings will not be adequate. With inflation and increasing expenses, it is essential to prioritize strategies for enhancing income. Investing in your own skill set is one of the most impactful decisions you can make. Enhancing your main source of income can significantly boost the effectiveness of your overall strategy. Increased earnings lead to higher contribution limits, enhanced employer matches, and the benefits of long-term compounding. This does not necessitate putting in countless hours of work. It necessitates a well-thought-out approach. Acquiring a valuable skill, enhancing your performance, or strategically repositioning within your career can yield significantly greater benefits than making small reductions in spending. The return is consistent and has the potential for growth. This phase can be challenging as it requires both patience and a willingness to embrace humility. Acquiring new skills is a gradual process, and you should expect that results may not be instantaneous. Nonetheless, the long-term benefits of income growth significantly surpass any temporary challenges. Effective investing is most successful when it is complemented by a growing source of income. If I were beginning anew in 2026, this is the precise strategy I would implement. Initially, focus on paying off high-interest debt to prevent negative compounding effects. Secondly, establish a cash reserve to safeguard yourself against the uncertainties of life. Third, make regular investments with straightforward, affordable market access. Fourth, focus on optimizing tax-advantaged accounts to enhance your returns. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the frugal tips to live on a low income. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.